Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. I hope everybody had an amazing holiday. If you've noticed, we've been gone for a little bit over here. We have just been enjoying our time with family and friends and celebrating the holiday that we celebrate. So this is going to be a super quick video. I am just here to pop on this week before we get into our whole new realm of 2023 videos. And I'm here to say that we are going to be doing a free seed giveaway for the new year. So it's like a holiday seed giveaway. Super excited. So I'm going to leave this video up for about a week, and next week we will do the draw for the winner at the end of that week's video. Basically, I'll just do a spin the wheel type situation, and all you have to do to enter is comment down below on this video and you will be entered to win. And I am sending through the mail a whole bunch of different seeds. Now these are just like some examples. We are going to do, I'll list all of the varieties that I'm sending below. So I'm going to do a mixture of summer things, a couple of little fall things for those who do fall gardens. And yeah, I'm super excited. It's going to be a whole bunch of different things: peppers, tomatoes, zucchini. I'll throw in a couple of like heirloom things that you maybe can't get as easily, some rare seeds, and maybe a couple of things that are experimental that you can try, such as like ground cherries and okra. But yeah, comment below. Let me know what you plan on growing in the 2023 garden and what you'd like to see in this giveaway. I have like 194 seed packets upstairs, and so I'm going to dig through that and kind of throw some stuff out. In the meantime, we're looking at seed catalogs. We're planning our 2023 garden, and I'm really excited to share some new videos with you. This is the kind of start of our 2023 year on YouTube. We're going to be doing gardens this year as per usual. I'm going to upload throughout the winter while I'm not gardening our planning, what we're going to be canning this year, some bread videos, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I am actually making a turkey jerky video for you guys right now with the leftover turkey from our Christmas dinner. So we'll be posting that soon. Lots of great things to come. So stick around, enter this free seed giveaway. Like I said, I'm going to let it run until the new year because of course people are busy with still celebrating and they have New Year's plans. So we're going to let it run until next week. And next week, at the end of next week's video, like I said, I will draw a winner and then we'll be in contact and I will send you the seeds. So good luck. This is open to anybody. I can mail anywhere in the world really with a stamp down at the post office. So it doesn't matter where you are, I will send these seeds to you. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.